Hello and welcome to Danko Arlington. My name is John Danko, and I am the third generation president of this unique company founded by my grandfather, Joseph Danko Sr. in 1920. Danko Arlington is a manufacturing company which is comprised of an industrial pattern shop, an aluminum and bronze foundry, and a jobbing machine shop. Over the years, we have incorporated these three divisions into one company to provide custom cast components for commercial and defense applications. For nearly a century, this family business has trained and employed hundreds of craftsmen. Throughout the years, our workforce has produced countless cast components for weapons, ships, submarines, aircraft, rockets, machinery, architecture, and art. Our parts have literally transformed America. Much has changed over the past 100 years, but the basic technique of metal casting has not. Metal is melted in furnaces and poured into molds made out of bound sand. After the metal cools, the mold is broken apart to yield a casting. In fact, civilization has been using the casting process since the start of the Bronze Age over 5,000 years ago. Recent technology, however, has revolutionized all manufacturing, including the foundry business and what we do here at Danko Arlington. Tasks that used to take weeks or months to do by human hands in 1920 now take only hours. For example, my grandfather used chisels and hand tools to construct patterns out of pine or mahogany. The work would be performed in our wood shop. Today, our patterns are now designed and created using CAD/CAM software on laptops or PCs. The pattern files are then downloaded to our very large, state-of-the-art robotic 3D printer. The printer literally builds accurate and strong tooling out of plastic in tiny layers without additional complex programming or human involvement. The printing process is extremely accurate and environmentally clean, without even any dust. Our foundry also incorporates high-tech software to simulate solidification, analyze metal chemistry, and calculate metal strength from every pore. These analyses are done real-time while we wait for the answers. Our quality assurance department uses in-house industrial X-rays to look inside critical aerospace castings for potential defects which could later cause the part to fail in the field. Our machine shop is entirely digital. We use robotic machine tools that, once programmed, can mill, drill, and cut raw castings to their final shape. The computer numerically controlled or CNC machines are very accurate and repeatable to do the same thing over and over again. Our inspectors use calibrated electronic probes and laser scanning instead of gauges and scales to check measurements to ensure that parts meet specified dimensions and tolerances. None of these high-tech devices, however, would function without the skill and knowledge of the valuable employees at Danko Arlington. In addition to being a niche manufacturer, we are especially unique because we have employees who join creativity, art, science, and technology into our everyday operation. We are very proud that many of our employees are our neighbors right here in Baltimore. Recently, our company started a program to offer opportunities to ex-offenders and those who have overcome addiction and who are re-entering the workforce. We are thrilled that through hard work and dedication, these men and women have turned their lives around to become role models in the community. Our initiatives in job training at Danko Arlington have been recognized by outstanding support agencies, including Associated Jewish Charities, Catholic Charities, Episcopal Community Services, Gaudenzia, the Center for Urban Families, Strive Baltimore, the City of Baltimore, and the State of Maryland. Our work in our urban area nicely complements our company certification as a U.S. Small Business Administration HubZone concern. In addition to our social concerns, Danko Arlington is equally proud to be a green manufacturer. We melt with clean-burning natural gas and electricity. Our scrap metal is recycled, and our foundry sand is reclaimed every day. Our plant has the latest energy-saving equipment, including high-efficiency factory lighting and motors. Our plant is also ISO 9001 certified to assure customers that our processes and techniques are documented and repeatable. Despite the fact that technology has transformed our lives, there is still a great need for mechanical components, including castings. I'm confident that Danko Arlington is the best choice for companies seeking to have high-quality sand castings made in America. Our near century of tradition of quality manufacturing, excellence, innovation, state-of-the-art equipment, and close attention to detail is what sets Danko Arlington apart from the competition. If you have a casting application, please contact us. We would love to assist you in your project. Perhaps it is through small businesses like Danko Arlington that our country will find the proper footing to continue to excel in manufacturing, to grow our economy, and to provide jobs for future generations of Americans for many more years to come. Thank you for joining me.